Hello, my name is Jongsun, and I am in 6th grade, and I'm going 7th grade, and this is my connector. So, design, I made a 6x7 array to make the game board. Also, I made red pieces R and blue pieces B. I used arrays to make the game board, of course. I used if statements and while loops. Also, I used loops, for loops. What are they even? Yeah. I tested about 10 to 20 times. One problem was that the vertical 4 in a row doesn't make a ring. So I solved it by making all variables in 4 in a row, different names. If I have more time for this project, I will make the game board bigger to make more possible wins. And play. Okay. So I'm going to do the vertical one first. So it says wins. So it just says red wins because you know it's R. So I'm going to do the horizontal one. Wait, okay, I made a mistake. Just a sec. Okay, so basically red one because you know for horizontal, and so now I'm gonna try diagonal. Okay, so now it's red wins basically, and now. And so now I'm going to do the backwards thingy thing. Yeah. Okay, so basically what I want. Okay. Any questions? Yeah.
What was the hardest part?
That's a very hard question. Probably the program. Yeah.
Like, what if, like, a circle is filled in with red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and then
Then it will be draw.
Did you
I didn't have that yet. I didn't have that yet. That will be if I have more time in the future. Yeah.
How many classes did you take for you to finish this?
I actually have no idea. Probably like 10, 8, I don't know. Any more questions?
Alright, let's give him a round of applause.